Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you maths of class 4th, Roman numerals. So, let's start. Here it is written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, these numerals are Hindu Arabic numeration system. Okay? Now, let's study about Roman numeral system. So, in the system, numerals that are originated in ancient Rome. Okay? Now, in modern usage, employs 7 symbols and each system are with fixed integer values. As you can see, these are the symbols and each symbol is having fixed integer values. Okay? Now, the first point is what you have to remember always, that always these symbols are written in capital letter. Okay? So, let's start with the symbols and values. Now, first symbol is I. So, the value of I is 1. Value of 5, V is 5. Value of X is 10. Value of L is 50. Value of C is 100. Value of symbol D is 500. And value of symbol M is 1000. Now, students, let us study few important points. Roman numeral system is always written in capital letter. Okay? As I told you earlier that always Roman numerals are written in capital letter. Okay? Next, there is no symbol to represent digit 0. Clear all of you? There is no symbol to represent digit 0. Now, before converting any numerals to Roman numerals, you have to learn and study these values. So, let's study. 1 means I, 2 means I, 3 means triple I. 4 means I and V. 5 means V. 6 V I. 7 is V I. 8 is V I. 9 is I X. And 10 is X. So, these are the values of the Roman numerals, and for the further converting all the symbols, you have to learn this. Okay? Now, let us study the rules of forming our Roman numerals. Rule 1. When the same numeral or a smaller one, again I am repeating, when the same numeral or a smaller one is written to the right of a bigger numeral, where to the right of a bigger numeral, we add the 2. Okay? What we have to do? If the same numeral or a small one is written to the right of a bigger, we are going to add both the numerals. For example, 6. How it is 6? V I. So what's the meaning of V? What's the value of V? The value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. So what we will do? We will add 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. As you can see, V is bigger than I or not? Okay, and I is written where? Which side? Right hand side. Okay. Now 7. Let's take another example. Another example is of 7. So how you will write 7 in Roman numeral? VII. Okay. So value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. And value of Y is again 1. To 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. Clear all of you? Now let's study about rule 2. Rule 2. Now what's rule 2? When a smaller numeral is written to the left or before a bigger numeral, we subtract the 2. Again I am repeating what you have to do. When a smaller numeral, as we can see in this, smaller numeral is written on the left of the bigger numeral. That is, what's a value of x? Value of x is 10 and value of I is 1. So here 1 is written on the left of the bigger numeral. Okay, or before a bigger numeral. So what we will do, we will subtract. In rule 1 we have to add, and in that it is written on the right hand side, but here you have to do the subtraction. You have to subtract the 2. So this is 9. How? 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, let's take another example. It is 4. Again, V is, what's the value of V? Value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. Again, smaller numeral is written before or left hand side of bigger numeral. Okay, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4.